Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Google Photos step by step. If you're new to Google Photos, this guide will help you set up your account, upload your first photos, and learn the basic features. First, open your web browser and go to Photos.google.com or open the Google Photos app on your Android or iPhone. Sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one yet, create a Google account first, then return to Google Photos. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Google Photos home screen, where all your backed up photos and videos will appear. To upload your first photos from a computer, click the plus icon in the top right corner and choose Import Photos. Select the photos you want to upload and wait for the process to finish. Next, use the search bar to quickly find photos by people, places, dates, or objects. To keep your photos organized, create an album by selecting your pictures and choosing Add to Album. If you want your photos to be backed up automatically, open Settings, turn on Backup, and choose your preferred backup quality. You can also edit photos, mark favorites, archive pictures, delete unwanted files, and share photos or albums with family and friends. Google Photos automatically syncs your library across your devices, so you can access your memories anytime, anywhere. That's how you get started with Google Photos in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.